In this video, we're going to break down how you can edit products on your Shopify store. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to come to your admin panel here. Once you get there, there's a selection of links on the left side here. You want to click on products. This is going to take you to all the products that you have on your store. And let's just click on this product here. But before you click on it, you notice some things. It's showing the status of the product. In this case, is active. How much of that product you have in your inventory. In this case, we have 1,000. And then also the vendor of that product. So those are some nice details to have. And once you actually click on that product, you can come here, you see, you can edit that title. So if you come to all your products and you come to the same product that we are editing here, you see this title here is whatever you type in here. The description here of the product, whatever you type there is what will go here on that page. So those are some good things to know when you want to edit your product. There's also the product status. You can have it active or you can have a draft. Maybe you're still working on that product. You also can come down here like this. You have the images, the media. You have photos or images of your product. That's where you want to put them in here. And the nice thing that Shopify has is you can add from URL. So maybe you have a YouTube channel about that product. You're talking more about it. Or maybe you have some more images on Google or another source. You can just come paste the link in here like this, and you can show additional media on your product that you want to show on your website. So that's also a nice feature to have from Shopify. And of course, we have our pricing, we have inventory, how much of the product you have. So there's a lot of useful features that Shopify gives us when we want to edit our products. And so those are some features that I wanted to break down. There's a lot more if you come to the page, but those are some of the useful ones that you can use to edit your product and make the product more descriptive to customers so that when they come, they know you can show them exactly what it is that they want to see, and you can make it easy for them to understand what this product is and how it could benefit them. So I hope this video is able to help you understand a little more about how you can edit products on Shopify. If you're looking for a custom Shopify theme for your store, maybe you're new, you're just getting started, you want a theme to get you up and running, or maybe you've already had a theme, but you're looking for some changes, something with more custom features, you can come to our Etsy store here. We have 5 premium themes that we're offering with custom features to get you up and running. If you already have a theme and you want to make some custom changes, or you want to see if maybe you can include something on your website, you want to make a change, but you don't know how to do it, come to our website, zqdo.info. You just type that in, zqdo.info, come to About, and there you can see some of our services and our previous works here. You can send us an email, of course. Any email you have, any question that you have, I'll try my best to answer. There's the email there, zqdo.tech@gmail.com. And yes, I hope this video is able to help you see how to edit your products on Shopify and to get your Shopify store up and running.